Lovelies, did you know that right now people are using Google AI Studio and a tool called Nano Banana to create simple content that earns real money online? Yes, you don't need to be a tech genius and you don't need to have huge capital. All you need is your smartphone, internet connection, and creativity. Let me show you how you can start today. Welcome back to this mind-blowing channel whereby we teach you on how to make money with your smartphone. In other words, we make your mindset shift from a paycheck to a passive income. If you're new here, this is where we share the best ways to make money online daily with just your smartphone. So hit that follow and subscribe button to make sure that we dive in, and whenever we post anything, you cannot not miss. Let's dive in straight away in today's methods of earning money with Google AI Studio and Nano Banana. Say it, I said Nano Banana. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video, you guys. This is Christine Immaculate, the lady that says I cannot hand a smartphone and beg for bread. And for your information, this is a disclaimer, guys. I'm giving you educational. This video is for educational purposes. Treat it like entertainment. I'm giving you 10% of what is working for me, and for people around me, the 90% you can look it for yourself by doing research. So be comfortable, my subscribers. You are awesome. I love you so much. And if you know you're out there, you are our engager. Hi, I give you a salute. I love you so much. We are here because you make us come back every day. Let's dive in and see how to earn money with AI Studio, combining it with Nano Banana. But before we do all this, what exactly is AI, Google AI Studio? Most people will not know it. Google AI Studio is a free tool by Google that allows you to use AI models like Gemini to create text, to generate content, or even build small AI apps. Think of it, it's like ChatGPT, but this one is powered directly by Google. You can use it to write scripts, like for my videos. You can also use it to generate blog posts, like for my Facebook and website. You can even use it to create podcasts or product descriptions and much more than you will be seeing as we continue. Now, in another way, before we go how we can earn, you need to know also what is Nano Banana. Is it a banana that we eat every day? Let's see. Now here is where it gets interesting, you guys. Nano Banana is a platform that allows you to take AI generated content and monetize it. It's like a bridge between AI tool and making money online. With Nano Banana, you can create micro tasks, automate simple content jobs, and sell that content on freelancing platforms like Fiverr. You remember I always tell you about these platforms, the Upwork, or even through your own pages. So when you get this Nano Banana, you put Google AI Studio. How do they work together? Let's see it. This is how they can be combined and work together. Go to Google AI Studio and type in prompts like write me a 1-minute YouTube script about motivation or create an engaging product description for a Facebook shop. Then take this ready-made content and upload it or repurpose it through Nano Banana. The platform helps you to streamline and even resell AI-powered outputs. Then after this, you list your services as a freelancer offering blog writing, ad copy, YouTube scripts, or even motivational quotes for social media. Businesses will pay you for content that Google AI Studio and Nano Banana have helped you to produce in just twinkle of an eye. Hopefully, now we are going to be diving in. I think for the next 3 to 5 days, we'll be diving in and see how can we earn money on this Nano Banana. Now that you know what is Nano Banana and what is Google AI Studio, let's dive in and see how do you think you can earn. And we have different ways, like 3 to 4. 1, here is the money part, you guys. The first one, on Fiverr, on Fiverr, that is a platform I told you, people are charging between $10 to $50 for short blog posts or scripts. So you can use that. You can even go to Upwork for freelancers, whereby you can write and earn anywhere from $15 to $100 per hour. And if you have your own Facebook page like me, you can turn AI generated scripts into videos or post and monetize them with AdSense and earn directly from Facebook. So this is just the best way to earn money. Best way and simple way. So you are just creating content, you're creating an income stream. You're not just having fun. Now, let me tell you why it is more workable in 2025. Content is in high demand. Every business needs ads. Social posts and blogs on a daily basis, they are looked for. Most don't have even time to write them. You guys, I know what I go through. By using AI and Nano Banana, you can deliver faster, you can deliver cheaper, and even better than anyone. That's why people are already making daily online and they are getting passive income with this method. You guys, what I need to leave with you like a pro tip, if you can start making money online today with Google AI Studio and Nano Banana, take the first step. Try out the tool, create your first piece of content and post it as a service. Then if you know you post this one, you do it once, you do it twice. You guys, what I need to tell you, you cannot build Rome in one day. You cannot build a business, a brand in one day. So do it repeatedly, as in terms of being consistent, come back, focus, and look forward, you'll get money. You guys, if you've reached on this stage without liking, let me ask, what is wrong? Please, I need you to go down and comment if you're ready. And let me drop a full tutorial with live examples. It will be from your comments that I'll bring for you a full tutorial. Otherwise, let's go down and check AI. We check for Google AI Studio. We also check, we practice on Nano Banana, and we start working on them.